We have recently launched Connect Key, which has got multiple features, industry first features like you can scan a document which is an Excel sheet. It directly opens up into an Excel native format which is editable. You can scan it and make it a searchable PDF. So while scanning, you can actually define the parameters by which you would like to retrieve it later. So you can define those parameters while scanning itself. You also have features like one-touch scanning. You press a button, it directly goes into the customer workflows. So you have various workflows available. By one-touch scanning, you can do those features. Then you have Apple AirPrint. You can directly print from your iPhones and iPads without downloading the printer driver. These machines are compatible to Wi-Fi infrastructure. These machines come with embedded McAfee security controller, integrity controller, and are compatible with Cisco TrustSec. So the best of the security available as of now in India is supplied by Xerox. Then you have application default features. So if IT manager wants that all the Excel sheets to be printed in black and white duplex, so irrespective of whatever you want to print, by default it get printed in duplex black and white. So depending upon what application that you are in, let's suppose you want to take a print from PowerPoint. So every time you take a PowerPoint print, it would come in 6 up on a back-to-back. So that is defined by IT policies. So you can make it standard for the companies. That is called application default printing. Security features like printing user IDs on the print margins. So if you see some document lying unattended, you would see that by looking at the user ID, you would know that who has actually printed it. And if you don't need it, till the time you actually put in the password, the print would not come out. And you can also make it the default that if you are not taking a print within half an hour, print would wash away from the machine. So you can still manage the print environment, saving on paper. So you have a plethora of features available with these machines.